welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to decorate my kitchen with you. Just my countertops and my open shelves. And I think you're seeing this on Labor Day, so I hope you're having a restful day, doing something fun with your family, or just doing nothing at all. It's kind of where I'm at. I've taken this weekend to just relax, do some decorating, getting ready for fall, and it feels really good. Anyway, I want to bring you along, so I hope you'll join me. If you're new here, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. And let's decorate these shelves first. Okay, this is such an awkward place to film, so I wanted to just decorate it, and then I'll kind of talk you through what's on the shelf and where it's from, because that is like the most requested thing. So I stuck pretty simple on here. You'll see I'm a simple girl. I think this is probably the only place that I take everything off and redecorate. I try to mix in fall with my everyday decor. Same goes for Christmas, but on these shelves, I do kind of switch everything out. But you'll see that some of the, like my cookbooks always stay on here. Like this little black vase is always in the kitchen. So I just kind of try to use what I have. But with that said, I did get these new this year, and they are from Hobby Lobby in the fall section. This is a new piece of art that I just got from Target. I'll link anything I can below so you can check it out there. But this little planter came from Walmart, and then the dried florals in there came from Hobby Lobby. A little pumpkin that came from Target Dollar Spot last year. I still love those so much. And if you saw my last video, I did some DIY ones, and I love how they turned out. I'll show you one I'm over here in just a second. But I shared these two pieces. You really can't tell, but they're those pumpkins. They're from Hobby Lobby as well this year. They're new. And then up here, I picked up these mushrooms from my local grocery store. I know that is like random, but they're perfect for fall. And I love the wood color, and I love them styled on these shelves. I love them styled in so many places in my house. I have moved them around. I think they'll stay here, and if they have more, I might pick up another set. for another place because I just think they're adorable. And then in the corner, I showed you guys those floral picks that I got from Hobby Lobby. The vase also comes from Hobby Lobby. And I think those are pretty, but they're really hard to style. So I think that they looked fine in there, but I've tried them so many places and that's the best place. I still love them. I love the green color. I love the added texture that it is. And that's what I kind of like to do in this corner, is the more texture the better. I do have a lot of texture with the brick backsplash, but I just like the wood tones. I like the glass has a texture on it. So everything is beautiful. And then I just ended up with my books up there. Those lights are kind of tricky to decorate around, so I want to always keep something low. And I think the books looked perfect. I want to share these wreaths that I hung up. I just tied a velvet ribbon on there. It's so cute. I actually bought that ribbon for Christmas last year, but I never used it. And it is perfect for fall. So I hung one there, and I also hung one, don't want to make you sick, but I also hung one above my vent hood right there. And I just love how beautiful those are. Those wreaths came from Walmart last year, I believe, or maybe the year before. I'll see if they have them still, but they're like the perfect size for these little places. Next, I want to style this little place right here. I want to keep my flour and sugar out like always. I still love the way this looks. So I'm just gonna switch up right here. I used to have that black vase I just showed you on the shelves right here with some greenery in it. What I'm gonna add here is this little crock. It's so cute. These are old. I'm so sorry I cannot link them, but I continue to use them all the time. And then I have these little berry picks that are kind of like a mustard color, and I'm going to just add those to there. And I have this cute little wooden pear that I'm just gonna put right next to it. Right here, I usually have my crock with my wooden spoons in it, and I wanted to use the crock that those were in as a floral piece, like a vase. And so I pulled that out, and I needed something else for those. And I just picked up this. It comes with a lid. It's from the Hearth and Hand line. It's so beautiful. I love the color. Perfect for fall. Really any time of the year. I love adding these warm tones in with all of my white. I think it just adds like the cozy factor, and I love it. I want to add this little pumpkin right here. I love that I can just turn him around. He's perfect for fall, and then he's also perfect for Halloween. This is the DIY I just did. I wanted to give you like a close-up. How cute they turned out. I love it. And I'm just going to put that right there. You guys know that I love to add ribbon to everything, and so I'm going to use this really cute ribbon and add it around here. I wish I had a little bit more, but I am running out, but it's okay. Little place on the counter is this little corner, and this has kind of been a work in progress for me. I haven't had much here before. A couple months ago I added something, but for fall I'm going to just put this cutting board down in the corner like that. And I told you guys I wanted a lamp on here in my kitchen, and I picked one up, and I think it's adorable. I love it. I just wonder, how are you guys that have lamps in your kitchen not infested with bugs? There are so many bugs everywhere, and I love the ambiance. I love it plugged in. I love it turned on, but if I leave it on and I come back in an hour, my whole entire counter is covered in little bugs. So I don't know, but it's still cute, and we're still gonna use her. So let's plug her in. I mean, look at that. And this is like the perfect corner for something like this. But we definitely have to conceal those cords because that's annoying. On the tray, I just have a couple little simple things. I have these little bowls that I love. It kind of matches that as well. And then I'm not exactly sure. Right now, today, I'm gonna use this little pumpkin. I wanna get a couple more of these. I showed them in a haul. I used the bigger ones somewhere else. And that would be really cute right here, like a little bit bigger one. But this is all I have for now. So for that, we're gonna call that good. But previously I had a picture of peaches up here and it was perfect for spring and summer. And I recently hauled this one and it's more pears. And I guess that's kind of a theme going on. I have pears over there, pears here. I don't know, I think they're adorable. But I thought this was like a perfect tone for fall. And I am just gonna layer that here to try to conceal those cords a little bit. Okay, on my island, I want to start with this beautiful basket from Target. The color is just so beautiful to me. And then I want to just make a little vignette in here. So I'm going to use this crock that I have used for several months now to put all of my wooden spoons in, but I wanted to use it here instead. I love like the worn look with this basket. I think it's so cute. And inside I have a couple of these picks of hops. I've used these in the last few years as well. And I'm just going to put those in there like that. Like they're zero fuss, super easy to style. And on this side, I love to use like everyday things in my vignettes. And so I'm going to use some dishes and I'm going to start by adding a cake stand, this little cute one. I cannot get that sticker off. I know I could probably get it off if I tried harder, but I'm lazy. And I always put something on top of it so you can never see it. And then I'm going to stack some salad plates on there. These are from the dollar store, can you believe it? I wish they'd come back with more. They're just so good. But a few of them have broke, so I'd love to replace them. And then on there, I love to use textile linens in my decorating, just because I think with like all of the wood and the glass and stuff, we need to like soften it up a little bit. So I think that adding textiles does a great job at that. On top of that, I have a bowl full of wooden spoons. These are like mini wooden spoons I got from Hobby Lobby. But I love that they add just a little bit of color and texture, and they're not just empty bowls. I mean, an empty bowl would be fine. And then in the front here, I have a candle. And if you guys need a splurge candle, I don't do this very often, but I could not pass this one up. This one is the Capri Blue Pumpkin Clove. First of all, it's a beautiful container, but the smell is absolutely heavenly. So I cannot wait to burn that. I'm working through 2 more pumpkin candles and then I will do this one, but I'm just going to put that in the front there. I haven't had anything on my island for a while, so I love having something here. All right, last but not least, I want to add something up there, and I have these lantern things. Again, I've used them for years from Joann's, and I'm literally just gonna plop this up there. I'm not gonna like fuss with it. I just want it to look as natural as possible. I might try and make sure it's kind of even on both sides, but that is it. And I think that will do it. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And subscribe to my channel. We're getting so close to 10,000 subscribers. It was my goal a long time ago, but it's still my goal. I'm not giving up on it yet. But I really do appreciate you being here and understanding how my life works. And I really do love sharing my home decor with you guys so much. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will catch you in my next video. Tomorrow I'm gonna work on more decorating, and I'll be sure to share that with you. So stay tuned. Have a good day. Bye.